Oh, I got called out by a contractor to look at this job. He's like, oh, it's just a few patches. Come and give me an estimate. I says, this is going to be a large project. Since you're down the road from me, I'll take a look at it. Well, look at this. Whole ceiling's falling down right there. What a dumpster. So sometimes these people will throw money at you. Sure, this can be done. You'll need a ton of mud work. A lot of time it can be done. But for me, I'm gonna turn this job down and tell the guy no thanks. You're gonna have to go through a pallet of mud easily. Hundreds of round patches. Look at all these just for one room. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20 patches just in one. This ain't even a 10 by 10 room. It's like 10 by 9. Wall removal. Had a beam. 20 more patches in here. Mind you, this is a small little 2-bedroom apartment condo, but look at it. But yeah, I'm turning this one down. Maybe when I was younger and more hungry, I'd take this on. Sure, I can get a few people to come in here and help me. It's like, just look at this. I'm guessing this person that called me must be a house flipper. They just expect everything to be covered with mud and it'd hide the smell. You should smell it. You should see the smells I'm smelling. I'm just getting out of here. It's wasting my time. I'm just disbelief. This is the nicest thing in this house. I could probably use this toilet right here in the middle of the room and it would make an improvement. That's how messed up this place is. And you couldn't tell. You go outside and look at this building. We're like downtown Mesa, Arizona. Nice condos here. You would think this is a really nice condo. Looks are deceiving. Sometimes they put makeup on her. And once you take the clothes off, oh my goodness. All right, let's get out of here. Wasting my time here. Oh, tripping hazard. Yeah, just come in here, do some patchwork.